Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions from the December 2016 paper. We'll be solving the general aptitude questions which came in the life sciences and the physical sciences paper. So let's start off with the question. The question is that a river is 4.1 kilometer wide. Now a bridge is built across it which has 1 by 7 of its length on one bank and 1 by 8 of its length on other bank. Then what is the total length of the bridge? Option A is 5.1 kilometer, option B is 4.9 kilometer, option C is 5.6 kilometer, option D is 5.4 kilometer. So these are the options that have been given. Now it has been said the river is 4.1 kilometer and the bridge 1/7 of its length is on one bank and 1/8 of its length is on the other bank. So if total length of the bridge is equal to x kilometer, so that implies that out of the total length 1/7 of the bridge is on the one side of the one of the banks, so minus 1 by 7x, and 1/8 of its length is on the other bank. So if we subtract these lengths on each bank from the total length of the bridge, so that will be the width of the river, which is nothing but given as 4.1 kilometer. So upon solving this this structure, we'll get the value of x, which would be the total length of the bridge. So 56, this will be 56x minus 8x minus 7x, which will be equal to 4.1. So this will be equal to 41x by 56, which is equal to 4.1. So this will give us x is equal to 4.1 into 56 divided by 41. So 4.1 and 41, they cancel out and give us 10, and this will give us 28, and this will give us 5, and ultimately the answer is equal to x is equal to 5.6. So therefore total length of the bridge is equal to 5.6 kilometer, which is the option C. So option C that has been given over here is the correct option. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.